everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to see a big subject for French learner, the differences between bon and bien. We already saw bon last week because there's a lot to see about this word, so if you want to check it first, I'm going to put the link in the description box. We are going to do a quick review about it, but if you want to have all the info, go watch that video first. So today we are going to see bon as an adjective, bon as an adverb, bon as a noun. Then we are going to see bien with the translation good. We are going to see bien with the translation well. And then we are going to see bien as a noun. So let's see bon as an adjective. It's a quick review once again. So bon means good, nice, or right. Let's see one for each. Ce gâteau est bon. Ce gâteau est bon. This cake is good. Nous avons passé une bonne journée. Nous avons, link, nous avons passé une bonne journée. We had a nice day. And for right, ce n'est pas le bon ticket. Ce n'est pas le bon ticket. It's not the right receipt. Now bon as an adverb. We use it with faire. Faire bon. Il fait bon aujourd'hui. It is nice today. It's a nice day. Sentir bon. Ce parfum sent bon. Ce parfum sent bon. And now bon as a noun, we have un bon d'achat. Un bon ou un bon d'achat. J'ai un bon d'achat de $5. J'ai un bon d'achat de $5. Now let's see bien. We're gonna start with bien as good and then we're gonna see bien as well. So why did I choose to present it like that instead of adjective, adverb, like I did for bon? It's because with bien, it's very, very confusing, the difference between adverb and adjective. I don't think that would be useful for you to know because it's very hard to differentiate. Even French speakers don't really know when it's an adverb or when it's an adjective. So I really think that would only confuse you more, and it's way easier to learn with the translation good and with the translation well. So we can translate bien with good when it means good, obviously, but it's also a moral or right thing. For example, we are going to use bien as good after the verb être, to be, paraître, to seem, avoir l'air, to seem, to look like, etc. Let's see a few. So we have c'est bien, c'est bien. That's good, it's good. So here we are going to use bien. We could also use bon and we will see the difference at the end of the video. When you want to congratulate someone and say très bien, very good. I included it here even though there's no verb before it because technically it's the shorter version of c'est très bien. C'est très bien. But you will hear more très bien. Très bien. I even say that a lot in the comment section. When I ask you a question and you get it right, I say très bien, très bien, très bien. And finally, ça a l'air bien. Ça a l'air bien, which is avoir l'air. That looks good. That seems good. Now let's see bien as well. Not as well. Well, actually, yes, as well. But with the translation, well. So let's see when we use it with a verb plus bien. A question that a lot of people know is tu vas bien? Tu vas bien? So it's another way to ask how are you? Comment ça va? Tu vas bien is how are you doing? Which can be translated to you doing well? You doing well? And you can answer je vais bien, merci. I am doing well, thanks. So, tu vas bien, tu vas bien, je vais bien, je vais bien. Another very common one is je sais bien. Je sais bien, which means I know or I'm well aware of it. Je sais bien. For example, if someone say tu es en retard, tu es en retard, you are late. You can say je sais bien. Well, I'm well aware of it. I'm the one being late. Another way that we can use it is to say to not work well. La voiture ne fonctionne pas bien. La voiture ne fonctionne pas bien. The car doesn't work well. Another way that we have to use it with well is with bien and then followed by the verb. So remember, we just saw verb plus bien. Now we're seeing the opposite. I'm going to keep the same structure of sentence so you can really understand. Nous avons bien mangé. Nous avons bien mangé. We ate well. Nous avons bien mangé. Something that I totally forgot to say is that bien never change. Never take a S, never take a E. It's always going to stay the same. Nous avons bien mangé. Another one. Nous avons bien étudié. Bien étudié. Here we have a double link. Nous avons bien étudié. We studied well. The next one. Nous avons bien travaillé. Nous avons bien travaillé. We worked well. We can also be translated by we worked hard. We worked well. The last one, a very common one. Nous avons bien dormi. Nous avons bien dormi. We slept well. Now let's see quickly bien as a noun. Le bien is the good. Okay, like le bien et le mal. The good and the bad. So you see how I use le, because we can't really point something that is le bien, that's the good. But if we look at un bien, a good technically, we are talking about un bien immobilier. Un bien immobilier. It's real estate. Now let's see quickly. C'est bon, c'est bien. C'est bon means that's good for something physical, a physical sensation. When c'est bien is more about a judgment, an opinion. For example, c'est vraiment bon. That's really good. So if you talk about a cake, anything. Do I talk a lot about cake and chocolate? I feel like I'm always talking about cake and chocolate. C'est vraiment bon could be, I don't know, a cake or chocolate. You get the idea. But if you say, tu as réussi, c'est bien, you made it, that's good, that's great. So here it's an opinion, it's a judgment. Let me know if you have more questions in the comment section. I try to answer all of them every day or every other day if I'm really busy. Don't forget that I just released my pronunciation course. You can check it out in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, it really helps me. And I will see you soon for another lesson.